need tomorrow, and I just need your love. I just need your love, and I don't need no money. We don't need tomorrow, and I just need your love.
Today the mission is Waterfalls. Got a little bigger crew. They're from the Netherlands. There's gonna be monkeys. Got a monkey sighting. Oh, it's so cool. So Boris is a parkour athlete. Instead of taking the normal trail, parkour people, they're gonna do the extreme stuff.
Okay, so that's not attached?
I was thinking about taking this and just Tarzan. Ooh, parkour. Yeah. Oh, we got another monkey. Rarely photographed in a while. In all these waterfalls, there's like 1,000 of these little tiny fish. It's like a free massage. Alright. We're going for it. When they get on the bottom, that's the weirdest spot. Oh my god. So weird. You usually have to pay for something like this. The waterfalls.
They're amazing. So many though, actually.
Yeah, there's 7 of them. They're all pretty cool.
7 stages, but every stage has like multiple waterfalls.
Yeah. But I didn't think it was going to be as crowded as it was, but it was still definitely worth it. Ice cream or no ice cream? ice cream.
The other one.
There's a girl here with a really funny shirt, and we don't know if she knows what it actually means.
Those oil
She's coming.
drilling.
Okay.
I kind of heard they pay them
Yes.
so well, like the people, so they don't
Oh
really
my
say
gosh.
no. But it's
Maybe it's like fuck IT.
Check this postcard out. I will never understand this place. So it is actually the next night, and we are currently at the bus station. I'm just getting some street food. We have a 10-hour bus ride ahead of us, but today was pretty chill. We just kind of kicked back and then rented scooters, and here's how that went.
Go, steady as the morning, here we grow. Old as steel, how we grow. Happy as a new dawn, we grow. We grow.
We were just riding and we saw this temple shooting out from the forest. So we came back here. And this place is just insane. It's like incredible. I don't know why I still have my helmet on. It's sick. More gongs. There's even like a zoo. Oh, there's some crazy bird over here. Check this guy out. Not friendly.
Careless and young.
A few moments later.
Hello, buddy. Hello. Hello. Hello.
And then after we rented scooters, we just headed back, packed our stuff up, left the D hostel, and loaded our bags on the bus, which is somewhere over there, but it's gonna be a long night. We get into Chiang Mai at 5 in the morning, so hopefully we can catch up on some sleep, but until then, I will catch you on the other side.
Building castle in the sky. Oh,